Bitcoin.
Bitcoin just hit $100,000 for the first time in history.
Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. For us traders, this is a really big opportunity. In this video, I'm going to share with you the manipulation model we use to trade Bitcoin on a daily basis, which generates us multiple $1,000s per day. And if you don't watch this video, you will become my liquidity. In this video, I'm going to give away a prop firm challenge account to one lucky winner. Make sure you answer the giveaway question to have a chance to win the giveaway. So we are on the Bitcoin chart right now. We are on the 15-minute time frame, and we already have a 15-minute manipulation candle right here formed before New York Stock Exchange open. So what we are going to look for is obviously for buys. Why? Because the manipulation candle is way too strong, engulfing two previous candles. And also, if you are new to the channel and you don't know what the manipulation candle is, it's pretty much a candle which sweeps the previous one's low and then closes in the opposing direction but above the high. So just like here, took the low, took the high and closed in the opposite direction. So this is your entry, and now we will have the NYSE candle, and just like that you hit your 1 to 2 in just one single candle, and that's take profit from this one. And now I'm going to show you another trade, because here we have stacked up 1 hour fair value gaps, and we still have some liquidity here from the Asian lows and also from the New York low. And what is right here, this is a 4-hour fair value gap. So ideally what I want to see overall on the higher time frame is that we come down to here and then form a reversal for a new all-time high. But we can also trade this to the downside as well. So, but what do we need? We need another MC to confirm us the move. So right here, it already took out the MC low, but it didn't close below yet, but it's showing us some signs. So let's play price. And right here, we have another 15-minute manipulation candle right here. And this is what we call an attempted MC. Why? Because it couldn't close with the body below the previous one's low. And this is our entry right here. And again, aim for a 1 to 2 at least, and just execute. And right there in 15 minutes, you are done. And it went a little bit more. And now it started to range and building up what we wanted to within this 4-hour fair value gap zone. So this is pretty good actually. Why? Because we know Bitcoin is bullish and we want to see bullish price action to be in those all-time high moves. And what I've done is pretty much I waited for the FOMC speech from Jerome Powell, the Fed chairman. If you know, then you know that there's going to be a lot of volume. I didn't want to risk it here yet because I wanted to see the confirmations before the speech. And right here, as you can see, we get another 15-minute MC closure, and this is also right before the speech. And what I've done is I entered right here at the break of the high and just wanted to write this with a trading stop loss. And now let me show you something, and this is actually really crazy. I really managed this trade really good, I have to say, with the 5-minute candles. So let me just show you the 5-minute chart in here. So at the break of this high, I am entering the trade, and as you can see, let's play price a little bit in here so I can show you what I mean. So here what I've done is I trailed my stop loss every single time. So as we broke this high, I trailed my stop below this low. And then what I've done is pretty much every single time trailing the stop loss below the lows that formed new highs. So here, this low, then again, this low create that high. And then we can play another candle right here, trailed my stop at this low, at the break. Let's see. Yeah, And as you can see, we are moving to the upside, and every single time what I've done is I trade my stop loss below the 5-minute lows. And you can see that I could hold this trade very, very long time. Why? Because the first ever break of the low was here. This one. And that was a 1 to 5. 1 to 5 risk to reward. And here my trading stop loss got hit. I did take some partials in here because of the weekly open, and here we had some highs from London, so I thought like, okay, maybe it could reject from there, and I don't want to be too greedy and want to lock in some profits in here as well. But what happened after that? Let's see. We did see a huge range after that, but what happened after that is we saw a new all-time high with the Asian session on Bitcoin. And this would have been the perfect entry for that, but the trading stop got hit. Everything is fine. I made the easiest 3K of my life with this trade. It just went really, really nicely. And actually, guys, I am in a Bitcoin trade just right now. Let me drag that in here, because as I am recording, we are about to hit the 1 to 2 risk to reward in here, and we are having some deep volume at this point. And let me just show you that also here. This is one of my personal accounts, 4K in profits. I'm just gonna lock in some of the profits here live during the recording of this video, because this is already a really good profit. Don't want to be too greedy, gonna hold still some partials, and I also had this trade going on other accounts, gonna secure some there as well. And this is why we love Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is one of the easiest assets you can trade as a day trader, but to be completely fair and honest, this trade took way longer than expected. Why? Because we entered, let me break this trade down for you guys. Okay, so I also called this trade live in the Discord, guys. So let me show you this as well with the screenshot right here. And we are now about to hit the second TP area. That's the 1 to 2 right there. But obviously we want to see more upside. But let me break this down for you guys. So what did we expect? We expected, actually, to be completely fair, to blast through with New York Stock Exchange right after this 15-minute closure. Right after this one, this was the New York Stock Exchange candle. Unfortunately, we didn't get that follow through from these highs. It did range a lot, almost, let me see, 2.5 hours range, but the stop loss made sense. And we also, let me show you this here, we also had this huge flush down yesterday night, and after that we started consolidating. And if you can see on the higher time frames, we respected all the imbalances we had in here. Look, this one as well, 4-hour imbalances, and this here gave me much more confidence. What is that? This is the 4-hour manipulation candle right here. And what makes this even stronger, guys, the doji right before that. So this shows huge bullish pressure after this flush down. This is a great profit, also secured right about here, but still holding the runners. And this is how you can take advantage of the manipulation model. Why? Let me show you this here as well. Here, right before NFP, this here was an attempted MC on the 15-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame we had the MC closure right before NFP. But we didn't want to risk it with NFP, you know, you can get some slippage, etc., whatever. But here you have a 5-minute MC, and right before NFP again, and right here again. So you have 1, 2, 3 5-minute MCs in here on the Bitcoin chart. And look, this is not a coincidence. Right before this blast through, we have another 5-minute manipulation candle. And right here we have the bear trap setup of this 5-minute bearish candle. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you can use this manipulation model in your day-to-day trading, you will make really, really good money during this bull run. And as you can see, I'm calling these trades live in my Discord. I'm breaking these trades down on a daily basis. So free education in there as well. So make sure you join our Discord community. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and tell us if you want to see more Bitcoin content like this one. Kadir did the previous one, I'm doing this one. So yeah, enjoying the profit while this trade is hitting the TP2 area and Bitcoin at 100K again, and we are in that move. So that's great. So the giveaway question, guys, is the following. What is your biggest takeaway from this video? Are you going to trade like this during this bull run? And make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. And let me show you this now. Called this trade live for the Discord. Now hit the 2-hour mark and it's still going really nice. Let's see here the 3-hour, and also let me show you this here on the Discord. It took a little bit. We also waited for gold but didn't get the confirmation. Gold was just ranging, and then what we did is we just traded Bitcoin right here. You can see take profit to hit as well. And also just a really solid week. Almost, I think this week, yeah, only one loss. Rest is full of wins. So yeah, let's see how the following weeks will go. Hope to see you in the Discord. Make sure you gain the value, free education, and just a great trading community. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.